Hi everyone, today we're doing 15 minus 6.
Yeah.
And Nikki's going to tell us how she thinks about this in her mind, right? So Nikki, there's 15 here, right? There's 5 in each one, and 5 plus 5 gives you what?
10.
And then 5 more. So
15.
all together
Yeah,
we have
10
15.
plus 5 plus 5.
Okay, so 15 minus 6. So how are you picturing this in your mind, Nikki?
So I'm basically picturing it in lines.
Yep, so you have this.
So I imagine that I'm covering up the 5.
Okay, so let's just write this out. Let's just write this out for them. So you're actually, like you said, 5, and we'll just put that back up so people can see it.
And 1. 5 and 1.
Oh, 5 and 1. Okay, so like
so if
that.
I take away 1, 9 would be left.
Yeah, so this is kind of cool because you went 15 minus 5, right?
Would equal 10.
And then minus 1 more.
Would equal 9.
Okay, great. So 15 minus 6 equals
9.
Nice job. Hi everyone. Raha's going to show us how she does 15 minus 6.
Yeah.
Okay, because we want to picture these numbers in our head. Is there 15 here?
Yeah.
How come?
Because 10 plus 10, no, I mean 5 plus 5 equals 10.
So this is 10, okay?
Yeah. And then 10 plus 15 equals
10 plus 15?
10 plus 5 equals 15.
Okay, so 10 plus 5 equals 15. Okay, I know you like to picture them like this, but can we put them in a line, Raha?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that. Is there still going to be 15?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're not taking any
We're
away.
just moving it.
We're just moving them. Okay, perfect. So there's our 10, and there's our 5. Okay, so we're going to put 15 in our mind, and then we're going to make 6 on our fingers, right?
6 on our fingers.
6 on our fingers. Okay, so 15 in our mind, and then we're going to go 14. Yep.
13.
Yep.
12.
Yep. I've got 3 fingers up.
And 11.
Yep.
And 10.
Oh yeah, because look, I've got 5 fingers up, and then there's 10 left. That makes sense. 5 fingers, and okay.
And 9.
9 for this one. Okay, so
9.
you see the 9 there? Perfect. So we can actually count these things on our fingers too, right? Okay, so 15 minus 6 equals
9.
this many, right? 9. Great job, Raha.